Yes, good morning class 8th. Now we have to start chapter 1 rational numbers in your mathematics class. So chapter 1 rational number, basically the rational numbers based on the number system. So class 8 chapter 1 rational numbers. So first of all, you know the number system, the natural number, counting numbers are known as natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. So these are the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So smallest counting number is 1 and the greatest counting number, greatest natural number we cannot find. Okay. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why. The whole number, second point, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whole numbers means when we include 0. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं इसमें 0 इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. So including 0 all natural numbers are called whole numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the smallest whole number is 0 but greatest whole number we cannot find, that is infinity. Third, fractional numbers. Fractional numbers or fraction numbers, fraction means part of a whole. So fraction means part of a whole, that's why fractional numbers are the parts of the whole numbers and parts of the natural numbers. Like 1 is a number and 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, these are the fractional numbers. Fraction means part. These are the whole numbers. Whenever we have to find another part, some part, a few part of the number, then these are called fractional numbers. Likewise 0, 0 upon 2, yes 0, answer is 0, 0 by 2. So 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 0 by 2, all these numbers are called fractional numbers. Then integers. Integers are the combination of positive and negative numbers including 0. Positive or negative numbers including 0. Likewise, start to infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity. So these are the integers. Integers include all positive and all negative number with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. But plus sign is not mandatory to indicate. But minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 when we write, so we indicate the minus sign. We have to write the minus sign. Okay. So negative integers में negative sign लगाएंगे. It is must to write. But in positive numbers or positive integers, we maybe write plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, or we have to write simply 1, 2, 3 without plus sign. Okay. So these are the integers. And the next one is rational numbers. And this is your topic, rational numbers. Rational numbers means numbers with a real numbers, means a part of a real numbers. Real numbers are classified as rational and irrational numbers. So rational numbers are the part of, these are the part of real numbers. Okay. Now again the definition of rational number. Rational numbers when a number representing form of P upon Q where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. So this is the complete definition of rational numbers. When a number representing in form of P upon Q, numerator and denominator form, fraction form, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Q is always a number, always a natural number, okay, not a whole number. It's not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 2, 5 by 7, 2 by 3, 7 by 11. These are the infinite examples of the rational numbers. Now the properties of rational numbers. Properties. Rational numbers are commutative. First is commutative property. Rational numbers are commutative. Commutative property means A plus B equals to B plus A. It means commutative property of addition. If two numbers addition, then A plus B is equals to B plus A. Likewise. So, when we have taken an example, let A is 1 by 2, B is 1 by 3, then A plus B is 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 3. Taking LCM, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 3 2 are 6. That's why the answer is 5 by 6. Okay. Now we have to find B plus A. B plus A means 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, because B is 1 by 3, A is 1 by 2. So we have to write in this way. Again LCM, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 2 3 are 6. That's why the answer is 5 by 6. So A plus B is 5 by 6, B plus A is 5 by 6. That's why we can say the rational numbers are commutative in addition. Commutative property is true for the rational number. So commutative property for addition. Okay. So the rational numbers are commutative. As well as rational numbers are associative. So the second property, associative property. Rational numbers are true for associative property of addition. For example, A plus B plus C is A plus B plus C. There are three numbers. Whenever we add A plus B, then the solution of A plus B is added with the C. Or in spite of this, first we have to add B plus C, then the answer of B plus C we have to add with A. The result is same. So A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C is the associative property of addition. Now third, rational numbers are true for commutative property of multiplication. It means A into B is equals to B into A. Take it example. If A is 1 by 2, B is only 3. So, A into B means 1 by 2 into 3 means 3 by 1. So, the answer is 3 by 2. B into A. B is 3 by 1. A is 1 by 2. So, the answer is again 3 by 2. That's why we can say the commutative property of multiplication is true for the rational numbers. Okay. Likewise, rational numbers are true for associative property of the multiplication. So, the fourth concept, rational numbers are true for associative property of multiplication. Like A into B into C is A into B into C. For example, if A is 2, B is 1 by 3, C is 5 by 1. Now, A into B into C means 2 into 1 by 3 into 5 by 1. Take it, that is 2 by 3. Okay. Now, the answer is 2, 3 3s are 9 into 5 by 1. So, the answer is 10 by 9. Now, A into B into C. A is 2 by 3. B is 1 by 3 into 5 by 1. 2 by 3 into 5 1 ja 5, 3 1 ja 3. So the answer is 5 2 ja 10 or 3 3 ja 9. So again LHS is equals to RHS. So students, now you understand rational number, definition of rational number and the properties of rational numbers. Okay. Goodbye.